In this video, you'll learn how to post TikTok drafts to public. First, once we're logged into our TikTok account, we'll click the profile button at the bottom right-hand corner to come to this page. Make sure the tab is selected on our videos, and if we have any drafts available, they will be in the first slot on the top left. Go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and select the draft that you would like to post. From here, you have one last chance to go ahead and make any edits to the video or the sound that you would need to make. Then go ahead and click next at the bottom right-hand corner. This is the option to go ahead and caption your video, select a cover photo, and possibly tag anyone in the video. From here, we need to make sure that who can watch this video is set to everyone. That will make this video completely public. You can also click more options and select whether you would like to save this video to your device so you can view it in your camera roll or gallery at a later point, or you can simply go back and hit post. And once the video has finished uploading, we can go to our profile and click on the video and see the video that is now posted to the public. If this works for you guys, be sure and drop a comment down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, drop a like. Have a great rest of your day.